Hi, my name is Sarah Stump, and this is my Start Habit Tracker CLI, a command line tool that helps you build better habits with simple tracking, motivational boost, and visual progress charts. It's built in Python and designed to be lightweight, offline friendly, and easy to use daily. Here's a quick look at the project structure. The main file is the entry point. All functionality lives in the tracker folder here, which contains modules for handling data, the CLI interface, motivational quotes, and visualizations. We also have a habits.json file to store your data, and any progress chart are saved as habit progress PNG. Alrighty, so let's start with the main file. It simply imports and runs main from the CLI file inside Tracker, keeping the project clean and modular. Now, in the CLI file, we use argparse to create a set of subcommands. For example, we have add to start tracking a new habit. We have log to mark a habit as done for the day. We have streaks to view all your current progress and visualize to generate progress charts. We have it here. Each command calls a function in one of the other modules, so let's break those down. Data handler is where the habit logic lives. Habits are stored in a JSON file, so everything is persistent. Like there it is. And add habit name starts a new habit unless it already exists. Log habit name marks the current date as complete while avoiding double logging. And show streaks displays each habit with how many times you logged in. It's simple but effective, ideal for forming consistent routines. When you run visualize, the visualizer module reads your JSON logs and creates a line chart using matplotlib. Each habit is shown as a separate line with the x-axis and the date and y-axis as how many times it's been completed. It's saved as a PNG file and shown immediately, giving you visual feedback that can really boost motivation. Now we have the motivator file. Since we're talking about motivation, this module adds a personal touch. It randomly selects from a few uplifted quotes whenever you need a pick-me-up. You can easily expand this with more quotes or even customize it with your own messages. And for now, the quotes that we have is you're crushing it, keep going. Small steps lead to big change. Consistency is key. You're building a better you. So it's time to do a demonstration. So let's try it out. So how we're going to try this out is by me starting to add the meditate habit, and then I'll make sure to log it. Then we will have the Python to run the streaks or strikes. So then we see all of our logs, and then we're going to check the visualization. Okay, so this is my visualization, and these are the lines, as you can see, and then log by date. Alrighty. That's the Smart Habit Tracker CLI. It's built from simplicity with just enough functionality to form real life habits. And it's using Python. So some ideas for future updates could be add reminders or build a GUI version or sync with mobile via a simple backend. Thanks for watching. You can check out the code on GitHub, and if you're working on your own habit, maybe this tool can help.